into a phi, right? So expression for curl in spherical coordinate system is given by since we want curl of A, I'll take A here is equal to AR cap by R square sin theta, A theta cap by R sin theta, A phi cap by R, dou by dou R, dou by dou theta, dou by dou phi, AR, R into A theta, R sin theta, A phi. Now take the determinant of this. If you take determinant of this, you will get so first term is AR by R square theta, one by R square sin theta, AR cap into dou by dou theta into R sin theta, A phi minus dou by dou phi into R into A theta minus A theta cap by R sin theta into dou by dou R into R sin theta, A phi minus dou by dou phi of AR plus A phi cap by R into dou by dou R into R into A theta minus dou by dou theta into AR. Now from this take R common, and if you take R common you will get 1 by R sin theta, 1 by R sin theta into dou by dou theta, A phi into sin theta minus dou by dou phi into A theta into AR cap. And if you take minus common here you will get plus, if you take minus common here you will get plus 1 by R sin theta into dou by dou R sin theta A phi plus dou by one second, this is dou by dou phi into AR plus dou by dou R into R sin theta A phi into A theta cap plus 1 by R, this is minus 1 by R dou by dou R into R into A theta minus dou by dou theta into AR to A phi cap. So call this is equation number 11. So we have found the curl of A, right? Now substitute this curl of A or we know that A phi is equal to 0 because this component doesn't depend on the azimuthal angle phi, and dou by dou phi is also equal to 0. So if you substitute A phi is equal to 0 and dou by dou phi is equal to 0, this is A phi component, this becomes 0, and dou by dou phi this component becomes 0. Here dou by dou phi this becomes 0, A phi this becomes 0. Therefore these two components become 0, and we are left with only this component, that is H phi, right? Therefore I can say that del cross A is equal to 1 by R dou by dou R into A theta minus dou by dou theta into AR into A phi cap, right? Therefore substituting this in equation number 10, we'll get H cap is equal to 1 by mu naught into del cross A is this, right? So that is 1 by R into dou by dou R into A theta minus dou by dou theta into AR, which is equal to into A phi cap, which is equal to H phi cap, right? Therefore here only H phi component exists. Now from equation number 8, you know that AR is equal to AZ cos theta, A theta is equal to minus AZ sin theta, right? So now we have to find R into dou by dou R of R into A theta and dou by dou theta of AR. We have to find dou by dou R into A theta and dou by dou theta of AR, right? So now to find dou by dou R of R into A theta. So we know A theta, right? A theta is minus AZ sin theta, and we also know what is AZ. AZ is mu naught. AZ is given by mu naught by 4 pi integral with respect to length of the dipole retarded current by R into dl, right? Now to find dou by dou R of R into A theta, we know that A theta is equal to minus AZ sin theta, which is equal to minus AZ is given by we know that A theta is equal to minus AZ sin theta. AZ is nothing but mu naught by 4 pi integral of retarded current by R into dl, right, into sin theta. This is AZ. So this can be written as integral of dl. So since we are integrating with respect to length of the antenna L, then this becomes minus mu naught I into L divided by 4 pi sin theta, right? So since we have to find dou by dou r of r into a theta, so this becomes minus r mu naught I L sin theta by 4 pi, that is dou by dou r, and I can be written as minus r mu naught I naught e power j omega t minus r by c into L sin theta by 4 pi. Now dou by dou r of r into a theta is equal to dou by so here this is 4 pi r, this r gets cancelled. Now dou by dou r into minus mu naught I can be written as I naught e power j omega t minus r by c into L sin theta by 4 pi, which is equal to minus mu naught into L into I naught by 4 pi, which are the constant. Now partial differentiate this term with respect to r. So I'll get e power j omega t minus r by c into minus j omega by c into sin theta. So if you split this and differentiate, then it will be easy for you, right? So this can be written as dou by dou r of r into a theta is equal to, this minus minus gets cancelled, j omega mu naught L I naught e power j omega t minus r by c t minus r by c into sin theta divided by 4 pi c. So we know this term, right? So this is j omega mu naught into L retarded current I sin theta by 4 pi c. Call this as equation number 14. So we have found dou by dou r of r into a theta. Next we have to find dou by dou theta of air. Next to find dou by dou theta into AR. So we know that AR is equal to AZ cos theta, where AZ is mu naught L I naught into e power j omega t minus r by c divided by 4 pi r into cos theta. Now dou by dou theta of AR is equal to dou by dou theta of mu naught L I naught e power j omega into t minus r by c by 4 pi r cos theta. So here cos theta is only the theta component here, so others are constants. Therefore this becomes mu naught L I naught e power j omega t minus r by c divided by 4 pi r into minus sin theta. So this becomes minus mu naught L I naught e power j omega t minus r by c divided by 4 pi r into sin theta. Now we have found dou by dou theta into AR. Now substituting, call this is equation number 15. Now substitute 14 and 15 in equation number 12. We'll get h phi is equal to 1 by mu naught 1 by r. So first is r dou by dou r into ar, right? So it is j omega mu naught L sin theta I by 4 pi c minus mu naught L retarded current I sin theta by 4 pi r. So if you take this inside and take 4 pi here, mu naught L I sin theta by 4 pi are the common, right? So if you take that common, mu naught gets cancelled. We will get h phi component as this mu naught gets cancelled. Therefore L sin theta into retarded current I by 4 pi into j omega by, this I will take inside, minus 1 by r square. So this minus into minus becomes plus, right? So this is the h phi component in general case. So for far field, for far fields, since r is very large, 1 by r square becomes 0, tends to 0. Therefore the above equation becomes, so this is general case, so this is for far field case. H phi is equal to L sin theta I by 4 pi into j omega by CR. So this can be written as j omega L I sin theta by 4 pi CR. I'll call this as equation number 17. This is h phi in far field. H phi in far field case. So now we have found out h phi, right? Now we'll find expressions for electric field at P, right? So here E phi is equal to 0, since this field doesn't depend on the azimuthal angle phi, right? So we already studied Ampere's circuital law in field theory, right? So from Ampere's circuital law, what it says, curl of H is equal to J. Since we already know H phi, that's why we are using this formula. So this J is the magnetic flux density, J is current density, which is given by Jc plus JD, where JC is the conduction current density and JD is displacement current density, and JC is given by sigma into electric field E plus JD is given by epsilon naught into dou E by dou T, right? So here we know E, where sigma is the conductivity of space and it is 0 for air, and it is 0 for air. Therefore, this curl of H becomes epsilon naught dou E by dou T. So, since we need electric field, we can convert this differentiation to integration. E is equal to this epsilon naught goes to the denominator, 1 by epsilon naught integral, this differentiation becomes integral curl of H into dt, right? And we know that electric field vector is here into air cap plus E theta into A theta cap plus E phi into A phi cap. But as I said, E phi is equal to 0. Therefore, we need to find only ER and E theta, right? And this del cross H we already know. So del cross H can be represented by, or curl of H is equal to curl of H to R component plus curl of H of theta component plus curl of H in phi component. But here only H phi exists, right? So first we need to find ER, this component ER. So ER, so ER is equal to, ER formula is here. So ER is equal to 1 by epsilon naught integral of curl of H into R component into dt, right? So we know R component, right? We already seen that curl of H in spherical coordinate system. So in if you look at the curl of H in spherical coordinate system, this is R component, this is theta component, and this is phi component. So R component is this,